everyone, it's Sarah from AWE, and behind me is an 8Y S3 with one of the two AWE systems installed. In this video, we have a ton of sound clips for you, but before we get into that, I'll give you a quick rundown of the systems. Of course, if you'd like to skip ahead to those sound clips, you're more than welcome, but if you want to get into some of the finer details, stick with me and I'll show you what you're about to hear. Starting at the inlet, the AWE system picks up at the factory breakpoint behind the emissions equipment. The first piece in the system is an adapter that allows the 3-inch AWE system to pair to the factory sizing. This adapter is removable in case you want to get a little spicier upstream. You can take this out for a true 3-inch connection. Now, the material used in both systems is 3-inch T304 stainless with a wall thickness of 0.065 inches. And by using a thick-walled material is one of the ways that we achieve that deep rumble that you're looking for. There's also a straight-through resonator that's present in the mid-pipe on both systems. Next up is our track and touring edition section. The track edition is exactly what it looks like, and it's for those that want rowdy tones at all times. The touring edition features two of our 180 technology resonators. They have a straight-through design so you don't lose out on performance, and there's no packing material so the tone is not going to change over time. Their sole purpose is to kill drone frequencies. So if you're looking for a system that's rowdy when you're in the throttle and calm at cruising speeds, this is the one you want to go with. Both the touring and track edition systems come with electronic valve simulators that plug directly into the wiring harnesses to keep the ECU happy and secure the harnesses up and out of the way. And bringing up the rear are 4 double-walled and slash-cut tips available in chrome silver or diamond black. And between the tip outlet sections and the tips themselves, they're two-way adjustable so you can get those tips dialed in perfectly. That's going to do it for the rundown. For more information, click the link in the description down below. And without further ado, here's how they sound. Hope you like what you heard. And remember, no matter which option you choose, we do offer conversion kits, so you're never stuck and you can switch up the sound at any time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.